Let's fill out the Alabama Motor Vehicle Bill of Sale together and avoid the small mistakes that cause big headaches when it's time to transfer the title and register the car. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave any line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. An empty box is an invitation to change the document after it's signed. Next, describe the vehicle. Make, model, body type, year, color, and the odometer reading. 2 that people get wrong. The VIN. Type all 17 characters exactly as they appear on the title. A single wrong digit can stall the title transfer. And the odometer. Write the exact reading, not a rounded guess. A sloppy number can look like odometer fraud. Now, the sale price, in our example, $8,500, and how it's paid, here, paid in full by check with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Finally, signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. 2 things before you're done. An unsigned or undated bill of sale may not hold up, so make sure every signature has a date beside it. And make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. The buyer needs it to register the vehicle, and the seller needs it as proof they are no longer responsible for that car. Welcome to this quick overview of vehicle bill of sale requirements for the state. First, let's talk about what kind of document you'll need. This state accepts a bill of sale, an invoice, or another sales document, so you have a bit of flexibility there. Now, one important thing to keep in mind, the owner name or names on the title application must match the name on your supporting documents exactly, so double-check that everything lines up before you submit. When it comes to signing, the seller needs to sign and date their legal signature on the title application. And here's something handy. An electronic signature is acceptable, as long as it's authorized by the department. Good news on a few fronts. This state does not require the assignment of a title or manufacturer's statement of origin to be notarized. The odometer reading is also not required to be recorded in the assignment of a manufacturer's statement of origin. And lien holder information is not required in the assignment of a manufacturer's statement of origin or title either. One more thing worth noting. If you're dealing with a leased vehicle, a bill of sale is not required to be provided for that transaction. That covers the key points for this state's vehicle bill of sale process. Keep your documents consistent, sign and date everything properly, and you should be in good shape. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.